Question number 24. In an experiment to determine the resistivity of a material rho, a student measures the resistance of the several wires made from the same material. The wires are of same length and different diameters, D1, D2, D3, etc. Okay. Which quantity should the student plot on the x-axis? Should he plot on the x-axis and the y-axis of a graph to obtain a straight line? You should obtain a straight line. So now what we do is we relate rho to this L, D and so on. Which equation? R is equal to rho L divided by A. Now area is nothing but diameter, so rho L divided by pi r square, and write this as pi d square, and or maybe I'll write this as pi r square only, pi r square, because r and d are proportional to each other, right? So therefore now what is he asking here? He should get a straight line. So okay, the options are given here. Diameter square, so diameter is nothing but here, radius square. If you plot along x-axis, then resistance along y-axis, no, this is not possible because it's inversely proportional. If I take diameter square along the x-axis, radius square along the x-axis, then 1 by resistance along the y-axis. So I'll do one thing, and write this as a pi r square equal to rho L by r. If I do this, this would be along the x, and 1 by r rho L into 1 by r. 1 by r will be along the y, 1 by r along the y. Then what can happen is, so this is possible. So it should be diameter square versus this one. It will be pi x into equal to rho L into y. So this is following a straight line equation. So as a result of it, C is the right answer.